How's it going, Street Moto Zers? What you see behind me is my 2009 WR250R. I just took it on some good trail riding for my first time. It was quite dusty out there. You can see by some of the video footage here that it's really dusty. I was third in line going down the trail and there was a lot of dust kicking up. So something I want to do is I want to check the air filter. I'm going to pull it out and check it out, give it a clean and put it back in. I'm going to take you through every step of the way for this WR250R on cleaning the air filter. So let's get going. Here's the products I use. Maxima foam filter treatment. It's like an oil, and Maxima air filter cleaner. Also, I used Dawn dishwashing soap. Step 1, remove the right side panel. There's just one bolt. You pull the panel out at the top right corner like this and then slide it down. Step 2, open the air box and remove the air filter assembly. The assembly is the foam air filter and the air filter cage. Step 3, take the foam air filter off the air filter cage. Step 4, shake the Maxima air filter cleaner can. Spray the cleaner on the entire foam air filter inside and out. This stuff is a little nasty smelling, kind of smells like gas. I would do this outside the house next time. Step 5, with rubber gloves, work the cleaner into the foam air filter. Step 6, allow 60 seconds for cleaner to break up and dislodge debris and filter oil. Step 7, rinse thoroughly from inside out with a steady stream of water. I used warm water for this. Also, I used rubber gloves the whole time. Some of that cleaner is pretty nasty, and the oil that's being used later is really nasty. If necessary, repeat steps 4 through 7. And that's what I did. Put on the cleaner, massage it into place. Let it set for about a minute. Rinse it off from inside out. Step 8, do the same 4 through 7 steps to the air filter cage. Here I'm rinsing it. There was a little bit of oil left on it. Just wanted to get that cleaned off. Step 9, this is very important. After cleaning the air filter with Maxima Cleaner, submerge the foam air filter and cage in warm soapy water and agitate. Step 10, remove the foam air filter and air filter cage from the warm soapy water and rinse with warm, clean water. Step 11, allow the foam air filter and air filter cage to completely dry before the next steps. Step 12, pour a liberal amount of FFT oil on the dry air filter. Work into foam air filter until all surfaces are wet and uniform in color. Step 13, squeeze out excess oil and do not wring out. Step 14, return excess FFT oil into the bottle. Step 15, let treated air filter dry for 15 minutes before installing. Step 16, install the foam air filter onto the air filter cage. Step 17, install the clean air filter assembly onto your bike and fasten the air box in right side panel. And now you're done.